Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Meadows Elementary School in Oceanside, California, home of the Mustangs. I just got done with another after-school program for the AM/PM students and staff here in the NPR. My final visit for 2024-2025, but it was a great one on another very important topic, perseverance. The sub-theme was have a growth mindset. And the perseverance that we're speaking of, it's this mentality, this attitude every day to not give up, to keep trying. And no matter what difficulty or difficult situation that we're going to face, which we will face, of course, we always have that opportunity to hopefully keep persisting, right? To keep pushing until success happens. And it's very easy to quit. It's very easy to give up. But, in the midst of trials, those are, again, opportunities to make us stronger if we let them. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational video clips, some experiential activities, we kind of really reinforced those principles today. And the growth mindset piece, it's fixed versus growth. We want to be someone that has a growth mindset. And this is someone that understands that mistakes can help us learn, right? That if we make a mistake, that we're not a mistake. If we fail, that we're not a failure. That we always keep pushing, right? And we keep trying no matter what. And that's why I wear this shirt too for this particular program. It says, keep your head up, right? The words are upside down on purpose, because if you're looking down, feeling sad, or just feeling down, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, right? To think positive no matter what. And the students really got that today. They understood. Some of them approached me afterwards and just, told me some situations that were on their heart, that they've definitely been through some pain or are going through something right now in their life, but they still have the opportunity to just keep growing and knowing that we always want to better ourselves each and every day, right? The biggest room in our lives is the room for improvement. And if we can keep being kind to ourselves and others, it just kind of sticks, right? And when you think about this too, the person we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. We want to be telling ourselves something positive. So we talked about creating a healthy habit, about how we do talk to ourselves in a very kind way, but then we start to branch out and make sure we do that for others too, to lift them up. And we start to feel that joy too by helping others as well and supporting them, right, through whatever they're going through. And so the students, again, even some of the staff, you could tell there were some pin drop moments where they really took things to heart, really started thinking about, how they do talk to themselves, but also understanding that when we encourage others, when we support them, we have to do it in the right way, with the right amount of heart, the right amount of enthusiasm, energy, passion, and the list goes on. But it was just, again, a beautiful opportunity for me to get to finish off this year strong. I'll be back again in the fall, starting a couple more visits here to Mission Meadows, some other schools in Vista Unified School District. But again, thanks for touching my heart. Have a great rest of this year, great summer break. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.